Today, I'm heading over to Costco to check out this amazing mattress deal. In this video, I'll show you the full setup from picking it up to unboxing it to unrolling it and letting it expand. Basically a full in-depth guide, so stick around till the end of the video. Alright, well, this is the Novaform Comfort Grande Plus 14-inch Gel Memory Foam Mattress, and this one particularly is the king size. Now, Costco had it for about $150 off, which makes it a really good deal if it's available at your location. The nice thing is, even though this is a king size mattress, it comes compressed inside a box, so it's much more easier to transport than a regular mattress. And setting it up is easier than ever before. Now, more about this mattress. It is focused mainly on cooling, comfort, and pressure relief. It has an enhanced cool to touch plush cover, and it is designed to feel cooler when you first lay down. There's also a bunch of different layers of foam to help with temperature regulation, and also it's made to keep the mattress from feeling too hot while you sleep. So it gives you a perfect night's sleep, balanced feel, soft on top but still sturdy underneath. So overall, this is meant to give you that comfort memory foam feel while also helping you stay cooler throughout the night. Alright, now it's time to open it up. So inside the box, the mattress is rolled up pretty tight and wrapped in plastic. The process is pretty simple. You unpack it, unroll it, and then let it expand. Now, since this is the king size, it is pretty heavy, so having 2 or more people definitely makes it easier. Now, along with the mattress, there's also a Novaform envelope, which you can see right here. So let's open it and see what's inside. So inside there are some instructions on how to set this up. And one more thing, they are recommending to wait at least 48 hours for your mattress to fully expand. Alright, now let's unroll the mattress. And also, check this bed frame out I bought recently from Amazon, and if you like it, I will have the link for that down in the description box below for you to check that out. Okay, now we place the rolled mattress onto the bed frame, and once it's lined up, we carefully start cutting open the package and unrolling it across the frame. Now, as you saw, just by unraveling it and positioning it flat, you can see that it starts expanding fast. You can see it's starting to rise and take shape. And without it being fully inflated, I can already feel it's very soft. And because it's a full 14-inch mattress, it has a thicker, more premium feel compared to basic foam mattresses. But yeah, again, it feels really soft, and honestly, it feels like it's already inflated up, but we have to wait for that 48 hours that the company is recommending. But in the meantime, check out these light strips set up along the wall, which gives the room a really clean look at the night. It's color changing, it's reactive to music, sound effects, and it has multicolor, and it brightens the room up really awesome, as you can see. So if you want to check that out, I'll have the link for that as well down in the description box below for you to check that out. So that's the full setup of the Novaform Comfort Grande Plus 14-inch Gel Memory Foam from Costco. And for the price, especially with the $150 off deal were available, I think this is a really good option if you're looking for a cooling foam mattress. And just remember, Costco pricing and availability can vary by location, so check your local warehouse. And links for the mattress, bed frame, and light strips will be down in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.